Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how you can do a stacked single crochet, which is a great hack for crochet projects when you are using double crochet stitch as your main stitch, and it works very well when you are connecting rounds or working in rows. And as you can see, it's very similar to an actual double crochet stitch, and it creates very neat and sturdy look, and it's not that easily noticeable as other methods for substituting double crochet stitches. But now let's jump into it. So in this case I will be showing you how to do a stacked single crochet once I'm working in rounds. And since here I have connected this round together, we are first starting by chaining one like this, and after that our next step is to do a single crochet, and we have to do that here inside this same point where we connected this round together. So I'm going inside this stitch, grabbing yarn and pulling it up to have two loops on my hook, and then yarning over and going through both loops. So this is basically one single crochet, and now we just have to add the stacked one on top of this, and to do that we are going through this front loop in front of our single crochet. So I'm going inside here like this, then grabbing yarn and pulling it through to have two loops on my hook, and then yarning over and pulling through both loops. So basically just adding another single crochet on top of the single crochet that we did. And this is basically our stacked single crochet stitch, which looks very similar to the double crochets that we are doing throughout this project. And then I'm just proceeding further with the following stitches. So in this case I'm just chaining one, then turning my work and proceeding further with doing double crochets as I'm supposed to for this specific project that I'm working on. But we can also use this method when working in rows. So let's say that here I'm done with my row here and I'm starting to work on a new row. So for that I'm first just turning my work, and now I would like to start this row by doing a stacked single crochet instead of other double crochet substitute methods. And for that, since we are doing a row, we are not starting with one chain, we are just right away doing a single crochet here inside this first stitch that we have. So for that I'm just going through this stitch that we have in the very beginning and then doing a single crochet in there. So yarning over and then pulling through two like this. So this is one single crochet, and now we just have to add the stacked one on top of that. So for that I'm going through this front loop that I have in front of my stitch, and then yarning over, pulling through and just performing a single crochet like that. So here again we have done stacked single crochet, and then after that again I'm just doing the regular stitches just as we did before. And this is how it looks. So I hope that I managed to teach you something new, and I hope that this stacked single crochet hack will be useful for you in your future projects when you want to have kind of like a sturdier look in between connections of rounds or when starting a new row. But that's it from me today. I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial hack, and I hope to see you later. Bye!